New at 6. People advertising marijuana online. Some will even deliver it to your door.
It's an online world with a whole lot of gray area. So ABC 15 investigator Lauren Gilger joins us now with a glimpse inside.
Just look, and you'll find people who use medical marijuana, who need a friend, who need help. Just look.
Want medical marijuana?
It's about the people that you can meet.
You may not have to look any farther than Craigslist.
Get yourself out there, get known.
We looked at dozens of ads like this. One patient who posted agreed to meet with us. He says all of his deals are patient to patient.
Do you always ask for people's medical marijuana cards?
Yes, I do.
He says he's not selling the marijuana.
My ad was an ad for exchange for medical marijuana.
He's giving it away and asking for a donation in return.
Really, it's a trade compared to a sale.
To him, the difference is important. That's because the Arizona Medical Marijuana Act says patients can share marijuana with each other, but if money changes hands, it's a felony.
Money is exchanged periodically.
But only as reimbursement, he claims, for his travel expenses to get to the other patient. But to Phoenix Police Lieutenant Darren Viner, no matter what
it's no different than if back in the day you drive down the street and somebody was selling drugs on the street corner. We would go after them, right?
And he's not buying the donation lingo either.
That donation, 100% of the time that I've had interaction with that has been for the exact street value of what that marijuana actually is. So it's essentially a sale.
In case after case, here's what we found. Undercover officers answer an ad like this on Craigslist. They arrange to meet and pay the suggested donation fee for the marijuana. The patient is arrested, and they tell police they had no idea this was illegal.
It's the silliest thing ever.
Scottsdale attorney Craig Rosenstein has defended medical marijuana patients in cases like these.
This is a technicality. The expectation that it should just be given to people for free is a little bit silly.
And he says it's turning people who were just trying to help others into criminals.
These are not drug dealers that people think of. This is not an episode of The Wire. And so the reality becomes, what are we really doing to people?
Do you worry that one day you're going to sell to somebody and it's going to be a cop?
Absolutely.
The patient we met with said he's not sure if what he's doing is illegal or not.
It seems to be a gray area between us all.
In the cases we reviewed, some patients prosecuted for these crimes ended up with probation, others in prison, usually depending upon whether or not they had prior convictions. But the county attorney told me if you're operating outside of the law as it's written, he is going to prosecute. I'm investigator Lauren Gilger, ABC 15 News.